Hey everyone, getting a running scripts is disabled on this system error. That's usually caused by PowerShell's execution policy. The execution policy helps protect your computer by controlling which scripts can run. In this full guide, I'll show you how to safely view and change the PowerShell execution policy on Windows. So let's get started. First, open PowerShell 7 or Windows PowerShell. If you're changing the execution policy for the entire computer, you'll need to run it as an administrator. Before making any changes, check your current execution policy by running the following command. Get execution policy. You might see values such as restricted, RemoteSigned, AllSigned, unrestricted, or bypass. If you want more detailed information, run this command to view execution policies for every scope. Get execution policy list. This shows whether the policy is applied at the machine policy, user policy, process, current user, or local machine level. To allow locally created scripts while still requiring downloaded scripts to be signed, use RemoteSigned, which is the most common choice for developers and IT professionals. Set execution policy scope current user RemoteSigned. Press Y and then enter to confirm the change. After changing the policy, verify that the new setting has been applied. Get execution policy. If the command returns RemoteSigned, the change was successful. Finally, try running your PowerShell script again. If the execution policy was the only issue, your script should now run without any errors. My script, PS, and that's how to change the PowerShell execution policy on Windows. Understanding execution policies helps you balance security and functionality while running PowerShell scripts safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.